Interface of Mitosis by Brielle,
Brian,
Emily,
Megan.
Chromosomes disperse in the nucleus and become long, thin threads called chromatin, then duplicate to form identical chromatin. Interphase is the growing normal state of the cell. The cell makes sure there are enough nutrients and energy.
This is prophase. Mitosis begins in prophase. Chromatin condenses to form chromosomes in the nucleus.
Nuclear membranes start to break down.
Mitosis begins in prophase.
centrioles appear and move to the opposite ends, and spindle fibers begins to form.
Nuclear membranes start to break down.
Centrioles appear and move to the opposite ends, and spindle fibers begins to form.
Nuclear membrane starts to break down.
Centrioles appear and move to opposite ends, and spindle fiber begins to form.
Mitosis begins in the prophase. Chromatin condenses to form chromosomes in the nucleus.
Nuclear membranes start to break down.
Centrioles appear and moves to opposite ends, and spindle fiber begins to form.
Metaphase. This is when the chromosomes line up along the metaphase plate.
The chromosomes line up across the center of the cell. Each chromosome attaches to the spindle fiber at its centromere, but still holding the chromosome together.
To conclude our statement, you can't live without metaphase.
This is anaphase, the fourth stage of mitosis. Anaphase is the stage where the centromere is split.
One chromatin moves along the spindle fiber to one end of the cell. The other chromatin moves to the opposite end.
After the chromatids go to the opposite sides, the cell becomes stretched out as the opposite ends pull apart.
During telophase, the chromosomes begin to stretch out and lose their rod-like appearance. This occurs in the two regions at the end of the cell. A new nuclear membrane forms around each region of chromosomes.
The first step in cytokinesis is to define the position at which the contractile ring will form.
Second step of cytokinesis is to assemble the actin filaments that form around the contractile ring. In addition, proteins like myosin also form.
The third step of cytokinesis is the contractile ring shrinks and the cells grow further apart from each other. The actin filament shrinks for the cells to grow apart. The final step at this point of cytokinesis, there are two daughter cells. They have their own organelles.